Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by prepping both phones now, enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and make sure each battery is above 50% so the transfer won't cut off. Once done, turn off any screen lock timeout or set display to stay awake. This prevents interruptions during large file moves. Next, install ShareMe or Oppo clone phone and grant storage and location permissions when prompted. These let devices discover and connect. Make sure Wi-Fi hotspot is allowed, because the sender creates a local network to push data faster. You now perform the main transfer. On the Redmi, open ShareMe and tap Send. On the Oppo, open Clone Phone and tap Receive or scan the QR code. Once paired, select exactly what to move: contacts, messages, photos, apps, or large files, because app data handling differs between Android flavors. After selection, confirm the hotspot or direct Wi-Fi prompt. The Redmi will host a local network for speed. Monitor the progress bar and avoid heavy multitasking. Since switching apps can slow, you finish by verifying everything arrived. Open Contacts, Gallery, Messaging, and test a few apps to ensure data migrated. If an app didn't transfer fully, reinstall it from the Play Store and sign into your account to restore cloud backups, because app-specific data often needs server sync. If files are missing, restart both phones, toggle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, then rerun the transfer only for the missing categories. One key tip: if the hotspot fails, switch to manual file copy via PC or SD card. This is a reliable fallback.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.